Welcome savvy shoppers to our fashion channel. Today we are delving into the world of tote bags. Whether you are a fashionista, an eco-warrior, or just someone who needs to carry a little bit of everything, we've got you covered, so let's get in our thought. When it comes to tote bags, there is style for everyone. We offer two main types, pure leather and canvas tote bags. Pure leather tote bags make up the majority of our tote bag collection. Our pure leather tote bags aren't just stylish, they are also waterproof, making them the perfect companion in any weather. Whether it's rain or shine, you no longer have to worry about your belongings getting soggy. If you are curious about the difference between pure leather and canvas, you can find a blog post waiting for you in the video description. It's a must-read. Now let's discuss the difference between these bags. Imagine this, you are strolling through the mall, enjoying a day of retail therapy, and our tote bags are your trusty companions. Their spacious design is perfect for all your needs, and they add a touch of chic to your shopping experience. But don't limit yourself to the mall. Our tote bags are equally at home and outdoors. Imagine taking a leisurely walk in the park and immersing yourself in the beauty of nature. Your tote can hold everything you need, from a water bottle to your phone, and even vegetables from the farmer's market. So there you have it. Stylish yet functional tote bags available in a variety of styles to suit your taste. Don't forget to check our blog for more details. Thank you for joining us today. Stay stylish and stay tuned for more great content on our channel.